Hello, I were asked to do this video from my followers. So today inshallah we'll talk about the personalpronomen. Ich, it means I. Okay, so try to say it after me. Ich, it's not ish. No, it's light. Ich. Du, and du means you for the singular. Ihr, ihr means he. Es means actually es is used for the nouns that take das, and sie means she. Okay. Ihr, it means you for the plural. Wir, it means we. Sie plural, it means they. And sie, so we can use for the people that we respect, like your teacher, your father. You can say sie by استغراس, is capital means. So ich is opposite to du. Ich means I, and du means you for the singular. Wir, which means we. Ihr, which means you for the plural. Steven, ihr. So I can say that my friend Steven, or I have a friend, his name is Steven. He is, so I can say ist. Ist means he is. Das, as I told you, it's is. Karin, for die, means it is okay, so it takes the article die, so it would be sie. Steven und Karin, so it would be sie plural. Ich und Steven, wir means we, I am and he is. Ich und du, it takes wir. Steven und du, it takes ihr. Let's practice together. Ich bin Victor. My name is Victor. Du bist Maria. You are Maria. Das ist mein Vater. That he is my or that is my father. Heißt Mark. He is Mark, or his name is Mark. Okay, so is heißt means he, his name, or he is Mark. So heißt means name. Das ist meine Oma. Meine, okay, because Oma takes die, so das ist meine Oma. Sie ist nett. Okay, that means kind, nice. Wir sind eine lustige Familie. Das Baby ist schön. Ist klein. Okay, so can you complete this? Try to solve it yourself. Bye.